Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this logo, pretty cool logo, and they want to put a fake stitch around the inside, which is really easy. And also there's a couple white issues with this logo that I do not like. And that's why I put every logo that anybody ever sends me into a yellow box. Now what I'm going to do is let me set my nudge factor on like 2.5. This might be our problem. There is a ghost line. Go to view wireframe. That doesn't need to be there. It didn't change the logo. So let's go back to, I would just get that out of the way. And if you can see, if you look at the logo, nothing changes. So let's just delete that. Now you're going to take this outside part. Now you could go outside or inside. This is probably the size she wants, so we're going to go inside. Go to effects and contour, and she knows how to do this. I'm going to contour to the inside with rounded corners, just 0.05. Okay. I'm going to go to object and break the contour apart. I'm going to take the exterior contour, I'm going to move it back, and I'm going to designate it that it's red, so it's a cut line. This one, at this time, you can figure out how thick you want the line to be or the stitch. You know, that's personal preference. And then right here, while you're still got your pen tool open, just pick a dotted line. And there's several to pick from that you can have your own preference. Since I used rounded corners, it kind of went around the round. And like I said, you could use, smaller stitches, and you can actually even create a stitch. That doesn't look too bad. I do like the first one I used, I think. But you don't want that. But it's just personal preference. And then move that back over. Now, be careful when you run this that white doesn't engrave. If you look, it's a CMYK white. Now, I've already kind of looked at this pretty closely. If you get rid of this part of the white, you actually make the motor look better. I'm going to have to nudge that out of the way because it keeps grabbing it. Whoop. Don't ever delete that. Just nudge them out of the way. This makes the motor look better. Make sure you don't do the other black. But you can't really do that to these. You can, but it's a lot trickier. And if it does mess you up, email me back, because you can't just take away some items because it will not make your logo. But this probably needs to be addressed, but I would test it first. So you're ready to go. I hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.